Everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to merge audio files in Audacity in 2026. Merging audio can be useful when combining voice recordings, music tracks, podcast sections, or several clips into one project. First, open Audacity and import the audio files you want to combine. You can add multiple files to the same project, and Audacity will place them into separate tracks or sections depending on how you import them. Before merging anything, check the order of your files. If you're combining several voice recordings, decide which clip should come first, second, and so on. You can move clips along the timeline to position them correctly. If you want one recording to play immediately after another, place the second clip directly after the first. Listen to the transition between the clips. If there's too much silence, you can trim it. If the transition feels too sudden, you may want to leave a small amount of space. When combining music and voice, you can keep them on separate tracks so you can adjust their volume independently. This is useful when background music needs to stay quieter than narration. Once the clips are arranged, you can adjust the volume and apply effects to individual tracks if needed. If you want to combine the tracks into a single continuous audio file, use the appropriate mixing or export workflow after confirming that everything sounds correct. Always listen to the complete project before exporting. A small timing issue between two clips can be easy to miss if you only check individual sections. If you notice a problem, move the clips, trim unwanted sections, or adjust the volume until the transition feels natural. You can also save the Audacity project before exporting so you can return later and make changes without rebuilding everything. When you're satisfied, export the final audio into the format you need. Check the exported file afterward to make sure it plays correctly, and that's how to merge audio files in Audacity. Import your clips, arrange them in the right order, adjust the transitions, balance the sound, and export the finished result. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next